Welcome to BodyBasing. BodyBasing is the BDSM of what I call poetry. Today we're gonna work on Crocodile as I try to walk us into the pose, because then you're not going to be able to have any sort of mobility because you're going to be pushing from your forearm. I want you to push from your lat and your tricep. Soft elbows, elbows contract, rubbing against the rib cage. Find my balance on top of the shelf I just made. There. Super wide split. And then you push back with both. You can pull against the ground.